Hello, my name is Christine and I run a vintage shop called Prima Treasures on Etsy. Today I wanted to talk about a company called Couroc. They actually invented this hard plastic that you see in front of you. It was a process that came about because the owner was in the military and he kind of came up with this idea for this type really hard acrylic. But what their claim to fame is more the designs that they put on everything. They were done by in-house artists. They created these inlay patterns with natural materials like wood and metals, and they have a very kitschy look to them. Most of them are like this, where they just kind of sort of folk art designs. And what I have here are 3 different trays, and you can see this one down here in the bottom is kind of a Moby Dick look. You got a big whale at the bottom, you got a harpoon sailor, wielding sailor at the top, and this one over here on the right hand side is one of their more popular designs. It's a roadrunner, and they made a lot of items with the roadrunner design. And then the one in the back appears to be some sort of Egyptian or maybe safari theme. I'm leaning towards Egyptian because of the glyphs at the bottom, but you can see that they use 2 different kinds of wood for each of the animals. I think the top one is a lion, although it does have kind of a sphinx styling to the head, so well, I'm a little fuzzy on that one. But either way, you can see they use a combination of woods, and then they added the gold metal accent. All 3 of these trays actually have the gold metal accent. So they're kind of an unusual company. They are collectible. The trays were made in California. That's where they were based. So if you want something that has a more distinctive look and is not your run-of-the-mill factory-made stuff, Couroc would be a pretty cool company to kind of get into. And I'm gonna just quickly read off the back, because most of the products that you see, if they still have their original label, you can see they all come with this label, and it says they have a variety of items hand inlaid by master craftsmen. They use a variety of different products to do this, and it does say that these products are impervious to alcohol and boiling water. However, they want you to wash it with mild soap. So, you know, I don't know if they're impervious to everything, but they are pretty durable. You can see that these only just have light scratches on them. I don't know that I would put them in the dishwasher, primarily because it might discolor the black. But they all have a really interesting look, and if you want something that's a conversation piece, any one of these would fit that bill perfectly.